Okay, my drawing with plasticity number 3 video, I have used the 3-point circle for creating this arc, but there is a faster way to get this arc. What I showed you was this, using the 3-point circle with first click, second click, third click, and then I trimmed this. But there is a faster way. Let me share that with you as well. And that's the 3-point arc tool. It's also in this circle menu, under the circle menu. So let's select the 3-point arc. Click on the first snapping point, second snapping point, and the third one. Exactly like the 3-point circle, but you don't have to make the extra step of deleting it. That's a very short tip I wanted to share with you as well. Peace! Meet Botley, a robot which you can build in a 5-hour plasticity course packed with dozens of tips and tricks discussed here on my channel.